16th big placer, Brett. Lumabas na nga si Brett, pero sino naman kaya ang susunod sa kanya na babalik dito sa outside world? Sino na ang kailangan ng bitawan ng hindi maging kampiyon sa pagtatapos ng kompetisyon ito? Congratulations! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Team Clash of 2010 15 Big Placer. Ivan.
Congratulations! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Team Clash 2010 4th Big Placer, Devon.
Sandali na pinakahihintay yung lahat ng big announcement. At palaki na rin ang parakilang panasama kami ng pagiging Team Big Winner.
You are the Pinoy Big Brother Team Clash 2010 3rd Team Placer, Fritzy.
Ito na po ang pinaka-aabangan na pagtatapos ng Pinoy Big Brother Team Clash of 2010 Unite at the Great Night. Para I'm back in housemates. And then there were two. Isa sa inyo ay ating magiging Team Big Winner ng edisyon ito. Isa na may papalakpak para sa ating Team Big Winner. Sige, holding hands. Okay. Ito yung marahil ang isa sa pinakamahalagang announcements ng inyong buhay. Makinig kayo mabuti dahil sisimulan natin ang back-to-back announcements with the second Team Big Placer.
Or 18.7% of the total number of votes. Congratulations! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Team Clash 2010 second Team Big Placer, Ryan!
Tapos, mahal kita. Tapos, mahal kita. Tapos, most important thing is, mahal na